Grabe ang pinag-uusapan ngayon sa social media at malapit na nga po ang pag-perform ng SB19 sa Lollapalooza. Siyempre, ina-expect po ng maraming fans ang kanilang energetic performance. Samantala, mula kay Jerlyn Sabornido sa kanyang Facebook post, I am not personally part of the creative industry, but even from the outside, as a proud part of 18, I cannot stress enough how vital this field is to our nation. With music standing out as one of its most powerful pillars, it is far more than just songs and performances. It is the soul of our culture, a powerful universal language, a bridge between nations, and a major driver of economic growth. It tells our stories, preserves our identity, and connects us in ways nothing else can. SB19 perfectly embodies this truth. What started as a local group has grown into a global phenomenon, putting Filipino music and talent firmly on the world map. They didn't just make music, they created a movement and a solid fandom that stands with them through high and lows, proving that kaya talagang makipagsabayan at umangat ang OPM sa international stage. Their success also highlights the ripple effect of a thriving industry, from creative jobs and boosting local pride to strengthening our cultural footprint. But if you listen closely to their song Visa, you'll hear the raw reality that this industry is often overlooked and underestimated. Lines like, wa-epek, wala pa ring dating kahit na ano pa ang gawin. Baka naman kailangan lang ng visa, kaya to follow na lang rin yung BB Visa. Hit differently because we know exactly what they went through. Hindi lang ito tungkol sa travel document, ito ay sumisimbolo sa lahat ng hadlang, pagdududa at bashing na hinaharap at hinaharap pa rin nila kahit ilang beses na nilang pinatunayan ang kanilang galing at dedikasyon. May linyang sinasabi rin nilang ang hirap talagang lumipad kahit na may patunay na kaya mo na. Sobrang totoo nito kahit sa paningin ko bilang taga-suporta lang, kitang-kita kung paano nila ibinuhos ang puso, pawis at oras sa kanilang sining, pero madalas pa rin silang hilahin pababa ng ibang kapwa Pinoy at hindi binibigyan ng sapat na suporta at respeto. Yet, despite these challenges, they still push forward and pour their hearts out for us. As they say in liham, narito ako, magpapagal para sa iyo, handang isuko ang buo. They are always giving their all, their gratitude and unconditional love to us. Their fans just like writing a heartfelt letter meant only for 18. As fans, it is high time we help amplify this message. When we value and invest in our creative talents, we are not just producing entertainment, we are building a lasting legacy. Huwag na nating hintayin na huli na ang lahat bago natin pahalagahan ang sining at musika. The future of our culture and economy is deeply tied to this industry, and its future is our future. Which is why, as they gear up to conquer the stage at Lollapalooza, let's give them the support they truly deserve. 18. Let's back them up with the loudest, most solid support ever. Ito na yung oras na ipapakilala natin sa buong mundo kung sino sila at kung ano ang kaya ng talentong Pinoy. Panahon na para malaman ng lahat na hindi lang sila basta grupo. Sila ay tunay na hari ng P-pop at inspirasyon sa maraming tao. They are ready to dominate and show the world what Filipino talent is truly made of. SB19, ibigay nyo ang pinakamalupit, pinakamakapangyarihang performance na hinding-hindi makakalimutan ng sino man. Set the stage on fire and let your music be heard across the globe. We've got your back all the way. Go make history. Yan nga ang full support na pagpapakita ng fans ng SB19 sa darating na pagpaperform nila sa Lollapalooza. At yan ang ating Showbiz Snap update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Snap.